Alright everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for viewing this. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of a couple Jackery products. First we're going to start with, I just opened this up, the Solar Series connector. This will connect two or multiple solar panels together with this connection here. Also want to introduce the Jackery 500. The Jackery 500, I have used it for charging cell phones, charging CPAP devices, and other little small devices, nothing big. I've tried to do a full-size heater, which it shut off, it didn't work on me. So, because that didn't work, that made me go to the big boy. And get this, the big brother, the Jackery 1000 Plus. Now, like I said, I'm gonna do an unboxing on it. See what this solar generator is coming with. As always, your user manual. Let's see, it should be the plugs. Oh, nice. So this does come with the 1000 Plus. Comes with a cigarette lighter. I almost bought this separate, which was another 40 bucks or so. So I'm glad it came with it. And then of course your charger, power cable. Comes with a nice little black bag, as always, what the Jackery does. It is. So I'll get this bad boy on the charger and get this charged. What I'm mainly going to be using it for is, continue to use it for CPAP machines, medical devices, my drone, charging drones, charge anything with power that takes power, my Starlink, my mobile device. If you don't have Starlink, get Starlink. Starlink is awesome. So this power station runs about 1,200 bucks, but you could get it on sale just depending on when Jackery holds their sales or Amazon holds their sales. But right now Jackery is holding a sale. At $1,200, you could get $520 off through November 20th, 2024 with code BF520. So if you're looking to get a Jackery 1000 Plus, then there's your code. And with this Jackery, it's more power and smaller, with a smaller size, with a capacity of 1,264 watts an hour and a 2,000 watt output. The 1000 Plus supports 99% devices, like I was saying earlier, your medical devices, TVs or small TVs, things of that nature. It claims they could do over 4,000 charges or 4,000 charge cycles. And if you get it from Jackery, not only does it come with a 3-year warranty, but also comes with the extended 2-year warranty. So that's 5-year warranty with your Jackery device. So if you could charge this over and over again, it'll last you up to 10 years. Also, with this device, you get your solar panel. So this will be my second solar panel, because I do have another one. So with the 1,000, I'll be able to run 2 solar panels. So that's 200 watts. So let me open this up also. If you guys are interested, this is a Kershaw knife. Not mainly an auto assist, but really close. Another good thing about the Jackery 1000 Plus with this one is it has a foldable handle. Man, I hated those other handles on the other Jackery, on the Jackery 500. All right. As always, Jackery Solar Saga 100. And there's a magnet that holds it together on one side, and then standing it up, you have your stands, so you can stand it up while you're charging, or you can, if you're needing it to, you can lay it over top of your vehicle on the roof so it gets that direct sunlight. Then it comes with your Jackery paperwork. And as always, that Jackery paperwork, user guide, and your Jackery Solar Saga panel charging cable. And also, as long as you put this into the charging station, the charging portable station on the 1000, it has USB connectors. You could also charge them or charge any other little devices that you have. Pretty handy. So that's another good option if you didn't want to pull out the solar panels or anything else. But those are the newest things that I have for our travel trailer that we got. And again, like I said, I'm using this mainly for medical devices, also emergency devices as well. You know, a lot of things are going on in this world today. The last hurricane that hit the East Coast, you know, I've seen that people didn't have anywhere to go. People just stayed there and just took what was happening to them. They didn't have any means of transportation to go out of state. Well, I made sure that for me and my family that wasn't going to happen. So I guaranteed and promised myself I'd get us a travel trailer or some type of means of transportation to get out if something was to happen. Being that this new President Trump is going to come into office, you don't know what's going to happen. So always want to stay prepared. As always, stay strapped or get clapped. It's my motto. So, like I said already, if you don't have Jackery, stay with Jackery. Jackery, send me some products. All right, guys. Talk to you guys later. Thank you.